are the basics on how to start hotshot trucking without a CDL. First of all, it is true that you do not need a commercial driver's license to operate as a hotshot driver. Whether or not you need a CDL comes down to factors such as the type of loads that you will haul and whether you will be driving in one state or multiple states. Here's an example. Say that you will be delivering hotshot freight in both your home state and a state that borders it. This means that you will be operating as an interstate driver. The federal government will allow you to transport interstate loads without a CDL, as long as the gross weight or gross combined weight of your vehicle is under 10,001 pounds. Otherwise, in most cases, you will need to get a commercial driver's license. Now, say that you will only be doing hotshot trucking in your home state. This means that the government will classify you as an intrastate driver. The exact term of intrastate vehicle registration may vary from state to state. You will need to check with your state's Department of Transportation to figure out the exact weight limits for your non-CDL transportation. Many states will allow you to perform intrastate hotshot trucking as long as the combined weight of your truck and trailer is less than 26,001 pounds. While registering your vehicle for hotshot transportation, you must secure trucking insurance. The exact terms of your commercial auto insurance policy and liability limits will also come down to whether you will be operating as an interstate or intrastate driver. Many hotshot drivers decide to get combined single limit commercial auto policies with liability limits of no less than $750,000. The key is to make sure that your policy does not go below the value of your truck and flatbed trailer. The majority of hotshot trucking experts recommend having full coverage commercial auto insurance instead of only liability coverage. This way, you can protect yourself financially if an accident takes place. Here at FMCSAregistration.com, our hotshot trucking team is standing by to assist you in starting your career even if you do not have a CDL. Our third-party specialists can take care of all your interstate and intrastate commerce registration today. As a result, you can start making money delivering loads ASAP. To get your hotshot trucking and trailer registered, please give us a call at any time. Our phone number is 1-866-477-0707. We look forward to helping you start your very own hotshot trucking business.